Hi, I'm Emmett, and in this video we're going to be teaching you how to clean your IDP Smart 51 ID card printer. For this process we're going to keep the printer switched on. We're going to need an IDP Smart Long cleaning card, and we're also going to need the device that your printer is connected to. First we're going to go to the control panel and then devices and printers. Right click the IDP Smart 51 printer and select Printer Properties. Go to the Service tab and click Clean Printer. Make sure the printer is on and the cleaning card is ready for use, then click Start Cleaning. Open the hopper and top cover, removing any cards and ribbon cartridges, and when this is done, click Next. Insert the cleaning card and click Next. Close the top but keep the hopper open and click Next. Wait until the cleaning has ended and click Next. Remove the cleaning card and click Finished. Now that the printer is clean, we can place the cards and the ribbon cartridge back inside, just like this. Your printer should now be cleaned and ready to be used again. If you did run into any problems whatsoever along the way, then our in-house support team are more than happy to help you out. You can give them a call on 0161 475 5346, or you can email them support@digitalid.co.uk. Thanks for watching. So you don't get any fingerprints on there. I just ruined that.